So today I'm going to go grocery shopping and we're going to get Thanksgiving Day stuff. This stuff is gluten-free, so it's going to be a little different. Fully
cooked!
We're probably going to have a bunch of videos out about Thanksgiving, so you'll see all of those. Okay, so I need sweet potatoes and onions. Extremely worried there for a second because these are $9.90 and I'm used to paying $4.90 for this. But I guess this is special. It says without gluten. Without gluten. Hamburger buns. These are $4.90 for 4. Really good deal. It's like $1. $1.25. These are like breadsticks, I guess. Cut them in half, make French bread. Little French breads. Gluten-free. Gluten-free bread. $4.90. It's very cheap. Did you get Bomba?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got 6 bags. 6 for 10, I think.
Now we have 4.
Okay, I just got some chicken. Got a whole chicken. The chickens here always have the feathers on them, so I don't eat the skin here. I haven't eaten skin from a chicken or a turkey. You have to get your turkey special here. Special order. So, mostly all they have is chicken. You can sometimes get turkey schnitzel though. They have whipped cream at $7.90. Really contemplating getting it. They got the cream down here that you can whip yourself. And butter. And a margarine. We don't fool with no margarine, do we? And the sliced cheese, which I need. That was on my list, I remember. And this is the only store that has these in this package, 2 for $50. It's not too bad. Okay, we have all of our groceries. So that took 2 hours and 15 minutes. It's pretty typical, I guess. I am back and it is 7:30. So let's get on this grocery haul. I have some things here for Hanukkah, but also some things for special treats for Hanukkah. Things to try with the kids on the Fully Fun channel so they can try it and see what they think of it and let you know.
You can try it.
We got some wine, we have eggs.
Hey go.
Abigail. Okay, get away from the eggs, please. Okay.
Get off of it.
All right, let's start this out with the vegetables. I can put this away and the frozen stuff. We have 2 onions. I usually would like to get more, but it's very hard for me to pick onions out. They put them in the freezer or the fridge or something and they aren't good. So, got cabbage, carrots, dragon fruit, persimmons, sweet potatoes, I was gonna say starfish, star fruit. This is how you buy your pumpkin in Israel. You buy it in chunks. You don't buy a whole pumpkin unless you go to the farm or you know somebody that can get you a pumpkin. And we have some bananas, have some corn nuts, and some dehydrated apples. Have some cranberries that I'm gonna try to make some kind of cranberry dessert for Thanksgiving. Got some of these. This was only 13 shekels, a really good deal. Usually just a little bag would be 10 shekels. Less than half of this would be 10 shekels, so that was a really good deal. We got some apples, so I'm gonna make an apple dessert. We all like okra, so I went ahead and got some frozen okra, some frozen corn. This is eggplant. They don't call it baba ganoush here, but it's eggplant. I got 6 bags, and the kids ate 2 of Bomba while we were in the store. I got 3 bags of freeze-dried coffee. That's what we drink. It's really good, actually. This is, it says Israeli Merlot dry red wine. He told me to get 2017. What in the world? Oh, okay. It looked like 2014 through the camera, but I got 2016 accidentally. Okay. This is grape juice for the kids, and it comes in a wine bottle. This looked really good. Muscat Hamburg sweet red wine, 2017. So, did I say that we got carrots? Salmon has been very expensive for the past 2 years now, so we haven't really bought a whole lot of it. but I wanted to go ahead and get some for sushi for Hadar, and I'll probably only use like one of these for his sushi and then leave the rest frozen for the next time. Got 3 for $25 different cream cheese. This one has like purple olives and some jalapeno. I don't know what it has in it, but it was new, so I wanted to try it. And this is like dill and garlic, and this is green olives. Got some turkey meat. This is without gluten. And I decided to get these sweet potato gnocchi. It's only 10 shekels. There's a lot in here, and this tastes so good. So we're going to try that. And I got some croutons, and they were only 11 shekels. Well, 12 shekels, really. I got some really cheap cereal. This is for just treats with their yogurt sometimes. And this I got for Hanukkah, one for each kid. So each night they'll get one piece of this, and this is sugar-free halva. It's an Israeli treat. And this is very sparingly. You can see how small they are. They are only going to get it if they are good.
Halva.
If they are good. So this is going to be put up. And this is the first round. We got some sweet potatoes because I'm going to make something out of sweet potatoes for Thanksgiving. So we have rice cakes, no gluten. We have tomatoes, a big thing of tomatoes. They love tomatoes all day long. We have the star of the show, the chicken. And Raphael asked me if we ate chicken pee-pees, and I had to tell him no, we do not. So here's some panko. This is not gluten-free. And we have a challah. Delicious. These are not gluten-free. These are for like pizzas for Hadar or hamburger bun or hot dog buns, whatever. This is some gluten-free cereal, and it's also sugar-free and salt-free. And I can tell you very honestly that it is disgusting. It really is, until you put salt and sugar in it. So we have some gluten-free, these are like little baguettes, I guess, I don't know. And we have hamburger buns, 4 to a package. We've got more baguettes, more hamburger buns, a loaf of bread, and hopefully we'll make some like sandwiches, and some in the morning we'll make some French toast. These are no gluten as well, and there's 6 of them in here, like hot dog buns, and another loaf of white bread, which is gluten-free. And I'm cooking 2 eggs because my daughter broke them from here. Got like 60 eggs there. This is the Pro 20 yogurt. There's 20 grams of protein in here, and this has no sugar. This is the regular flavor and the strawberry, and my husband loves the strawberry. But I got him the regular to mix with protein powder and the strawberry to eat plain. I got some onion rings. Got 2 packages of frozen sweet potato fries. We have a lot of activity going on in Israel right now, a lot of bad stuff. So you're hearing some choppers go over. Their base is right next to us. So we have 4 things of cottage here, 1 thing of real butter, and 1 thing of smoked cheese, which is not as good as the regular brand that I usually buy, but the kids will eat it. Oh, and for Hanukkah, I bought this lighter so it can not take forever with my matches. And I have some cream. I think that's it. Oh, and my son broke that, so all the wine and the juice had to come down. Oh well.
Thank you guys for watching, and be on the lookout for our other Thanksgiving videos, as well as one of these videos that's going to be on the Fully Fun channel of the kids trying these weird foods.
Thank you for going shopping with us. Thank you. Going shopping with us. Have a fun, very good Thanksgiving. Check us out at Fully Fun and Fully Cooked. I'm not tired, by the way. You know what?
Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.